How to share files from your phone to your laptop. So there's actually a few different ways to do this, but I'm going to show you the method that I prefer the most. So whether you want to go and transfer photos or videos or actual files themselves, then what we need to do is first go and open up the App Store, click on the search box in the bottom right hand side and go and search for the word Drive and then press search. Now you need to install this application here, the Google Drive, and once this is finished installing, we can press open. Now this is completely free to use. As long as you have a Google account, you'll be able to sign into here and start uploading your files. So what we're going to do is just click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand side of the screen. You can then select upload file. And if you want to upload photos and videos from your camera gallery, you can click on photos and videos. It will ask, would like to access your photos? Click on select more photos. And here you can go and select the photos and videos that you want to upload. Now, if you want to go and upload something from your files, you can click on upload file, click on browse, and this will take you over to the Files app on your phone. And once again, you can just go and select the file that you want to upload. Now, once you've selected your files, you can press the upload button in the top right-hand side, and you'll just need to wait a few minutes while that uploads to your Google Drive. Now, in order to go and download this onto our computer, we just need to head over to the website google.com and make sure you're signed in to the same Google account. You can then click on this square icon in the top right-hand side and select Drive. In the left-hand side, click on Recent, and here you'll be able to find all of your recently uploaded files. So what you can do is just go and select the files that you want to download onto your computer. You can then right-click and select Download, and as you can see, this is now downloading to my computer, and if I come over to my downloads, here you'll be able to find all of the files from your phone.